Alright folks, how you doing? It's Des Cattys, sipping on a cup of the old, what am I drinking this morning? A cup of tea. And the purpose for this video is that I wish to share with you the Helikon Tex Numbat Chestpack. I've been after one for quite a while. I've been after a Chestpack for quite a while. I've got a bino harness that I like to wear for when I'm just going out with obviously binoculars and stuff like that, doing a bit of wildlife watching and the like. But I wanted something else for putting sort of like utilising sort of tools and knives and things like that I can have immediately on my person in a form of a chest pack, which have obviously been becoming quite fashionable of late. My mate Dave Fry's has got one. Chris Wilderness Nomad, he's got one as well. And as I say, not the Numbat, they've actually got other styles, but it's that style of harness that I actually want, sort of chest pack that I wanted. So I've obviously bitten the bullet and bought this particular one. First impression of it, I love it. Yeah, it's what I like about it as well is that I want to try and use it as a means of keeping tools and stuff in there that I'm going to use regularly, but also I want some sort of like emergency bits of equipment in there as well, so which I'll share with you now when I actually open the pack and show you what's inside. I did used to like the idea of wearing a leather belt with possible pouch on it and a saw and everything else, but what I find is that it really gets on my nerves personally when I'm trying to get into my bellow pockets and the belt might be sitting over the top of the pockets, and it makes it more difficult to get gloves out and other bits and pieces that I've got in there. So by having all the stuff that I may have had in my possibles pouch, I've now put up onto my chest area. Obviously it's freeing up my pockets down below. So there it is. So that is the Helikon Tex chest pack. Obviously it's got the harness, all fully adjustable with obviously clips on there that can obviously be taken off and all the rest of it. I dare say you might be able to modify it and add it to a rucksack or whatever if you really wanted to. On the front of mine, inside the front pouch there, I've got just a whistle. Even though I'll have a whistle in my jacket, I'll still have a whistle. I've got a whistle inside this pouch as well. Now it's a normal sort of zip opening. Opens two ways. There's two-way zip on it. And as you can see so far, there's quite a lot of, obviously there's quite a lot of room and like all this sort of stuff. It's nice to get all these sort of little pockets and slots and bits of elastic so you can keep stuff quite tidy in there. So for me personally, right now I've got a soil filter in there. I've got a monocular. I've got some siloon sticks, a torch. I've got a sharpening DC4 sharpening stone. I've got my Leatherman wave in there, some snares, brass wire and the like. I've also got my Laplander saw in there at the moment. Now the other thing with this is that the Velcro part there, if you actually slip it forward, it's actually got a sort of plastic cover, a plastic pocket there if you like for putting maps in. I personally wouldn't use it, but that's up to the individual if they really wanted to use it. I'd sooner just have a bit of map cut out and laminated or whatever rather than putting it into something like that. But that's your choice. I don't really want to go into too depth about what's in here, but as I say, it's for the bits and pieces that I've got in here, I do want to add a sort of mylar blanket and little bits like that, simply because it'll be kind of like an emergency pack as well. If for example I did lose my rucksack or whatever, I would like to think that I'll have the chest pack on me all the time, so at least I'm going to have some stuff in there that's going to maybe get me through the first sort of 24 or 72 hours of maybe a potential survival situation, as it were. I'm just adjusting the camera a little bit because for me I'm looking like I'm in the dark. So yeah, I'll quickly sort of show you with it on, and I've just put my hold it there. I'm not teaching you to suck eggs, but that's sort of thing you're looking at. So, you know, I mean, I'm quite impressed with it. I really do love it. I mean, you can adjust the straps. And then, as I say, even when it's on you, it's not really in the way too much. I think it's kind of quite, I think it's quite a nice sort of setup, really. You know, I can still get access to whatever I want there. Well, I haven't got the problem of worrying about stuff down below. And so far, yeah, I like it. It's a nice bit of kit. So I managed to, when I actually bought it, I think they retail at around 50 quid, £50, £48, something like that. But then when I actually bought it from the company that I did online, I actually got a 10% discount, literally just by, you know, as you do, getting email shots from them, you know, emails and stuff like that, you know, just by registering with them. Got a 10% discount, so obviously it brought it down a bit more. I think I only paid about £41 for it in the end. So so there it is. Okay, folks, so that's the Helikon Tex Numbat Chestpack. As I say, it's got quite a lot of gear in it. I ain't going to get everything out and lay it all out and tell you what it is, because you can put in there what the hell you like in your one. When I first got it, I was using it to put like my GoPro and my charger and things like that in it. But obviously now I've had it for a little while, and I'm now starting to put stuff in it that I want to use for, you know, sort of, as I say, for just every day when I'm up in the woods and I'm out and about. To also using it as a means of a possibles kit as well. I'll probably add a mylar blanket into it and stuff like that as well. Alright, so there it is. Okay, so that's the Helikon Tex Chestpack. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please do so. And there it is, folks. Just one thing, I've just got rid of my GoPro. The old Hero Plus that I've got, and I've just ordered a new GoPro 8, so I've kind of bitten the bullet and took advantage of that because of the £100 discount that GoPro will give you if you exchange it with them. So if you're interested, go over there and have a look at their website. Again, I'm no affiliate to GoPro. And yeah, so I thought I'd take advantage of it and see how it goes. So who knows, you know, my videos might improve a bit more, I suppose, or maybe they won't, who knows, you know. But there it is. Right, so thanks for watching, folks. Please take care, and Des Cattys signing out. See you on the flip side.